Hi guys, I am doing an update on my homemade setting spray and my face primer. So it is about 8 o'clock at night, guys, and remember the video that I did prior is talking about the DIY setting spray and face primer. So basically the apple cider vinegar and water before, like after I wash my face and all that, I'll put that on first to like clean my pores, to reduce the size of your pores and stuff like that. And I do that oily skin, and then I do all the routine for my makeup, and then I put on that setting spray. So normally by the end of the night, guys, and I got my phone light on so you guys can see, so that shine or whatever, by the end of the night my nose will break down with all of the oils, and oil be my makeup will be separated all through here, where I wear my sunglasses and all that. It'll be pretty much, but I think it hold up pretty good. So I will say it is doing a big difference for me. So I like it a lot, guys. I like it a lot, and it's 8 o'clock at night, and the oil hasn't break down, and then it does help. Like even when you touch your nose, and if you got oils in your hands, if you touch your face, it'll leave that face print. But my hands, if you guys see, I'm putting my hands on my face and touching, it actually sets your makeup really good and stops a lot of that oil shine. Because if you ever know your hands, from the oil from your hands, if you touch your nose or something, it'll smear. So you guys ought to make your own setting spray. All right, guys, have an awesome day. I just wanted to do an update to show you guys how it holds up when a night fall, when it's later, because people can make stuff and show you stuff but don't show a follow-up. So this is a follow-up. Okay, guys, make your own setting spray and face primer, and you will have great results. Thank you, guys. And I did the one for oily skin. So you guys look up the recipe to make the homemade setting spray for dry skin. Alrighty, bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shot. And yes, guys, I do have my flash on my phone. So that is why you guys probably see I look a little bit more pale, because it does show the setting powder. But I wanted to show you guys it does work. Try to make your own setting spray, guys. Save some money.